Hello there, welcome to our channel Logins again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial and today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Roblox account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create an account on Roblox, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in roblox.com like this and hit enter, and you can see this is the home page of Roblox and where you can directly sign up and start having fun from over here. Okay, now to sign up for your Roblox account, let's enter our details like the month on which day you were born, or this is the place where you enter your birth date like this on month, day and a year format like this, and enter your chosen username over here. For me it will be this one, and after that let's enter some password. And when entering your password or registering and password on Roblox, guys, do remember to make it strong by adding some capital letters, some small letters and some extra characters. And I'm a male. Let's click on sign up after entering all the details, and let's save the password. And there, guys, we have successfully signed up for Roblox on our computer. Now you can see this is the Roblox game station or the home page, and this is our profile over here, guys. And there, guys, we have successfully created a Roblox account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.